Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to share with you a Dollar Tree haul, and mostly they are items for the fall because I will be doing a Dollar Tree DIY, some fall decor. So be on the lookout for that. I'll do this haul, and then sometime maybe next week I will do the DIY. It'll come soon, so be sure that you're subscribed and that you hit that notification bell. So I just wanted to show you the fun things that I found. Not all of them are going to be for the DIY, but I will show you those items. But I'll show you the things right now that are not for that DIY. I found these really fun rub-on transfers that are fall. I think it's just one sheet. Yeah, I believe so. And then I found these really cute stickers. I also found these napkins. I thought they were really pretty, a really fun watercolor pattern. They also had plates and everything, but of course I'm using my napkins not for the normal use of napkins, but for my journals. I found this fun yarn color, like a rust color. I found this vintage truck with the pumpkins. I really love the vintage truck. I just love that whole craze. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I really love the vintage truck. And then I found this sign. I think this is really awesome as it is, but I would be doing this, using this in my DIY. So, but it is like a fun wood composite, not real wood. It's just that like a balsa. Well, this is kind of like a balsa. It's a thin wood, but then this is just like a pressed wood, I think. I love the pattern behind there. You'll see what I'm going to do with that. And then I just have these wood sticks. I'm going to use those in the DIY. Also, I found these fun fall ribbons. I think this one, yeah, this is a fall. They're all fall. So there is this orange gingham, and it has a black little detail. I think this one was more in the Halloween section. And then there's one with pumpkins, and it's like a burlap. It's not actually burlap, but it's that texture. And then this one has the fall leaves, and there's a gold little detail in there. And then here is the vintage truck ribbon, and this one has owls. I also purchased 3 boxes of the Tumbling tower game, and I have not been able to find these, and finally found them. And they used to come in half the size of box, but now they come in these taller boxes of 72. And so I have 3 boxes of those, and those I'm going to be using on my DIY. And then things that are not fall related, I found this Life is Sweet notepad, and I'm going to be using those in my Candyland journal. And then I also found these. I thought these would be fun to use in the Raggedy Ann. They're like a paper sack. And then these 3, they're like a hanger with a chalkboard on there, and it's supposed to be for like a wedding, but I am going to be using these and making them over into my Dollar Tree DIY, so I picked up 3 of those. They are, I think they're about a foot and a few inches tall by about 6 inches wide. So yeah, I have those, and I think that is it for my haul. So it was short and sweet, but if you want to see what I'm going to be doing with some of these items, be sure to subscribe and follow me, and I will be coming out with a fall DIY video using Dollar Tree items. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.